Nestled in the heart of Sindh, Pakistan, lies the unassuming town of Matli. This hidden gem, located in the Badin district, holds a significant place in the region's agricultural landscape. Matli stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of rural Pakistan. It thrives as a hub of agricultural activity and a keeper of ancient history. Matli's story is deeply intertwined with the fertile lands of the Indus River Plain. The town's existence is a testament to the enduring power of agriculture to sustain communities for centuries. Its location in the fertile region of Sindh has shaped its destiny. Today, Matli stands as a vital contributor to Pakistan's agricultural output. The town's unassuming facade belies a rich tapestry of history, culture, and natural beauty. From its ancient origins to its modern-day agricultural prowess, Matli offers a unique glimpse into the soul of rural Sindh. Its story is a testament to the enduring legacy of the land and its people. Agriculture is the lifeblood of Matli, pulsating through the veins of its economy and shaping the lives of its inhabitants. The rhythm of daily life here is deeply intertwined with the cycles of planting and harvest. The town is renowned for its fertile lands, which yield a bounty of crops that sustain not only the local population but also contribute significantly to Pakistan's agricultural output. The fields of Matli are a testament to the hard work and dedication of its people. Matli's farmers are known for their hard work and dedication. They toil tirelessly to coax life from the earth, ensuring a steady supply of essential foodstuffs. Their efforts are the backbone of the community, providing sustenance and stability. Among the many crops that thrive in Matli's soil, rice reigns supreme. The town is a major rice-producing center in Sindh. Its fragrant, long-grained rice is prized throughout Pakistan and beyond. This rice is a staple in many households, celebrated for its quality and taste. Cotton, another key crop, paints the fields a pristine white during harvest season, its fluffy bolls promising prosperity. The cotton from Matli is sought after for its softness and durability. The vibrant yellow blooms of sunflowers add a splash of color to the landscape, their seeds a valuable source of oil. Sunflower oil from Matli is known for its purity and health benefits. Sugarcane, with its towering stalks, sweetens the air and provides the raw material for the production of gur, a traditional unrefined sugar. This gur is a cherished ingredient in many local delicacies. These crops, along with others like wheat and vegetables, form the backbone of Matli's agricultural economy. The diversity of crops ensures a resilient and thriving community. Matli's character is indelibly etched by the forces of nature, a testament to the enduring power of the environment. The town lies within the vast expanse of the Indus River Plain, a region that has been shaped and nurtured by the river for centuries. This fertile ribbon of land has been sculpted by the mighty Indus River over millennia, creating a landscape rich in nutrients and life. The alluvial plain, enriched by the river's annual floods, provides the ideal conditions for agriculture, ensuring bountiful harvests year after year. This makes Matli a breadbasket of the region, a place where the land's fertility is evident in every field. The climate of Matli is characterized by its subtropical desert nature, a unique blend of extremes. Hot summers, with temperatures soaring above 40 degrees Celsius, are a testament to the sun's unrelenting glare, making the days long and intense. Winters, on the other hand, are mild and short-lived, providing a brief but welcome respite from the scorching heat of summer. Rainfall is scarce and unpredictable, making irrigation essential for agriculture, a lifeline for the crops that feed the region. The Indus River, a lifeline for the region, meanders through the landscape, its waters a source of life and sustenance. Nurturing the land and the people who depend on it. The river's influence is palpable in Matli, shaping its climate, its agriculture, and its very existence, a constant presence in the lives of its inhabitants. The interplay of the Indus River and the subtropical desert climate has created a unique ecosystem in Matli, one that is both harsh and bountiful. This ecosystem is a testament to the resilience of nature, a landscape where contrasting elements come together to create something truly remarkable. Matli's history is as rich and fertile as its soil, stretching back centuries to a time when empires rose and fell. Legend has it that the town was founded by Yazdegerd III, the last ruler of the Sasanian Empire who sought refuge in Sindh after the Arab conquest of Persia. While the veracity of this claim is debated, it adds a layer of intrigue to Matli's past. Over the centuries, Matli has witnessed the ebb and flow of history ruled by various dynasties and empires. The town's cultural fabric reflects this rich tapestry, with influences from Arab, Persian, and indigenous Sindhi traditions. This blend of cultures is evident in Matli's architecture, cuisine, and customs. One of the most striking remnants of Matli's past is the presence of ancient temples, silent witnesses to a bygone era. These temples, with their intricate carvings and weathered stone, stand as a testament to the town's historical and cultural significance. They whisper tales of ancient rituals, beliefs, and ways of life. Section 5. Unveiling nature's wonders attractions near Matli. While Matli itself is a hidden gem, the region surrounding the town is also home to several natural attractions that beckon exploration. The lush fields and winding rivers create a picturesque setting that is both serene and captivating. The mighty Indus River, a constant presence in Matli's story, offers a glimpse into the region's lifeline. Its waters have nurtured civilizations for centuries, and today it continues to be a source of sustenance and beauty. A boat trip down the river reveals a different perspective of the landscape, showcasing the raw beauty of the Indus River plain. The gentle flow of the river and the surrounding greenery create a tranquil experience for visitors. Further afield, two of Pakistan's most stunning national parks, Kirtar National Park and Hingal National Park, lie within a few hours' drive from Matli. These parks are a testament to the country's rich natural heritage. Kirtar National Park, a vast protected area, is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. Its diverse ecosystems support a wide array of flora and fauna, making it a perfect destination for nature lovers. It is home to a diverse range of species, including leopards, wolves, and the endangered Sindh ibex. The park's rugged terrain provides a sanctuary for these animals, allowing them to thrive in their natural habitat. Hingal National Park, on the other hand, is a geological wonder. Its unique formations and landscapes offer a stark contrast to the lush greenery of Kirtar. It is characterized by its dramatic landscapes with towering canyons, mud volcanoes, and a coastline that stretches along the Arabian Sea. The park's diverse topography makes it a fascinating destination for geologists and adventurers alike. These parks offer a chance to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and immerse oneself in the tranquility of nature. Whether you're hiking through the rugged trails of Kirtar or exploring the unique landscapes of Hingal, the experience is sure to be unforgettable. Section 6. Planning your visit, weather and air quality. When planning a visit to Matli, it is essential to be mindful of the weather conditions. The town's subtropical desert climate means that summers can be extremely hot and dry, with temperatures often exceeding 40 degrees Celsius. Winters, on the other hand, are mild and pleasant, making it an ideal time to explore the region. Air quality is another factor to consider. While Matli generally enjoys moderate air quality, seasonal variations and the impact of agricultural activities can sometimes lead to a decline in air quality. It is advisable to check the air quality index before planning a visit, especially for individuals with respiratory sensitivities. The best time to visit Matli is during the cooler months from October to March, when the weather is pleasant and the air quality is generally good. This period also coincides with the harvest season for some crops, offering a glimpse into the town's agricultural rhythm. Section 7. Beyond the horizon, further explorations. While this essay has provided a glimpse into the multifaceted nature of Matli, it is important to acknowledge the limitations of information available on certain aspects, particularly the nearby natural attractions. Further research and exploration are encouraged to uncover the full extent of their beauty and significance. For those seeking to delve deeper into the natural wonders of Sindh, regions like the Nara Desert, with its shifting sand dunes and unique ecosystem, and the Indus River Delta, a critical habitat for a diverse range of flora and fauna, offer promising avenues for exploration. These regions, while geographically distant from Matli, share a connection through the unifying thread of the Indus River and the rich cultural tapestry of Sindh. Exploring these areas promises a deeper understanding of the intricate relationship between humans and nature in this part of the world. Section 8. Conclusion: Matli's enduring legacy. Matli, a town steeped in history and sustained by agriculture, stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of rural Pakistan. Its fertile lands, shaped by the mighty Indus River, have nurtured generations of farmers and continue to play a vital role in the region's economy. As we have explored, Matli's story is a tapestry woven from threads of history, culture and nature. From its ancient temples to its bustling agricultural fields, the town offers a unique glimpse into the soul of Sindh. While information on specific natural attractions near Matli may be limited, the region's rich biodiversity and proximity to significant ecological zones like the Nara Desert and the Indus River Delta beckon further exploration. Matli's legacy lies in its ability to adapt and thrive amidst the challenges posed by nature and time. Its story serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of humanity and the environment, and the importance of preserving our natural heritage for generations to come.